In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you guys can delete your Facebook page. So click on your Facebook page profile first and can click on the setting and privacy. Then click on the setting gear icon. And now click on privacy once again. From here, click on Facebook page information. And then here is a delete or deactivation or temporarily or permanently delete your page. So you need to click here. And instead of choosing deactivate the page, you will need to choose here delete page. So select delete page and hit on continue. And if you wanted to download the info, then you can download it, or you can also transfer. You can click on here, but I don't need to download this because this is just a test base for this tutorial. I'm going to click on the continue, and you need to paste your password here, or you simply need to type your password and then simply hit on continue. And it's warning you that this will delete your page permanently. And also make sure to read that once you submit your page for deletion, you have 30 days to reactivate your page. That means even if you have deleted, you can still reactivate this, but after 30 days, you are not able to retrieve this page anyway or reinstate this page anyway. So to confirm that, hit on continue. And there we go, guys. We have deleted our page and I am back to my profile right here. So you can see that we don't have any kind of page access right now. And it's that simple on how you can delete Facebook page in 2024 using your laptop. And it's that simple. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.